S.C. Verma solution, chapter 3, question number 22. A car traveling at 60 km per hour overtakes another car traveling at 40 km per hour. Assuming each car to be 5 meters long, find the time taken during the overtake and the total road distance used for the overtake. Solution: let A and B be the cars with speed 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively. Let figure be drawn here at the time t is equals to 0 and at the time t second when the crossing over is completed, and here the crossing over is being done. Here let car A starts overtaking car B at point Q. That means from at this point car A starts to overtake this car B at point Q and completes overtaking at point T after the time interval t second. Here the complete overtaking has been done at this point, at the point T where the car A overtakes car B completely after t second. Taking front end of the cars as a reference point for calculating distance, then distance traveled by the cars in t second can be given as, here the distance traveled by car A, here the distance traveled if front end is taken the reference point, then the distance traveled by car A is from here to here. That means from this point Q to point U. Therefore, the distance traveled by car A is QU is equals to QS plus QU is QS plus ST plus TU is equals to QS from here to here, QS plus this length ST is equals to length of the car. Again TU is the length of the car. Therefore, distance traveled by SA is QS plus 2L. Therefore, SA distance traveled by car A is equals to QS plus 2L is equals to, it is the total distance traveled by the car A. It can be given by the formula velocity into time taken, velocity of the car A into time taken. Also SB, this distance traveled by car B is equals to SB. That means RT, here the distance traveled by B, car B is RT from here to here, front end the reference point, then the distance traveled from here to here, RT is equals to QS. This RT is equals to QS is equals to VB into T, because the distance traveled can be given by velocity into time taken. Let it be equation 1 and it be equation 2. Subtracting 2 from 1 will get VA into T minus VB into T is equals to QS plus 2L minus QS. QS gets cancelled. From here T is equals to 2L divided by VA minus VB is equals to 2 into L is 5 meter. 60 minus 42 kilometer per hour is equals to 2 seconds. Here this 62 it will get here 60 minus 42 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour is equal to 18 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 meter per second. Therefore this 5 cancels and the total time is 2 seconds. Therefore the total time taken for overtaking the car is 2 seconds. Also total path for overtaking is PU. That means the total path taken for overtaking this car is from here to this end, from rear end of the first car to the front end of the first car. That means PU. PU means PQ plus QU. Here PQ plus QU. PQ is the, here PQ is the length of the car, which is 5 meter, and this QU is the distance traveled. This QU is the distance traveled by first car in the time interval t. Therefore, qu is equals to L plus this qu is the distance traveled by car A in the time interval t, or L plus this can be given as BA into t plus 5. This BA is velocity of the car is 60 km per hour. Converting the 60 km per hour in meter per second, we have to multiply 60 with 5 by 18. Therefore, velocity into time is 2. Here it will give the answer 38.33, or we can write 38 meter.